Hello everyone in Cycle World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard.
And this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
This week we made these very unique shoe boxes.
We made these shoe boxes because we have limited space in the garage. When we pull the cars in, there's very little space between the car and the wall, so we found a unique way to make these shoe boxes fit on the wall.
Normally, when using this type of a hinge, we would mortise it into the wood so that it sits level. The only problem with that is I can't exactly mortise this into drywall. I mean, you could, but it's just not going to have anything to grip onto. So instead, I went ahead and did the lazy way and just added the hinge directly onto the wood and into the wall itself. Now this causes a little problem because it's not mortised in, it doesn't sit in level and it doesn't go flush up against the wall. But that actually worked out to our benefit. So what we did there is on the magnet on the wall, we actually increased the number of magnets so this too would hang off of the wall and match up with the amount of space that is left because of the hinge. And due to this, there's about a 1/8 inch space all the way around because it doesn't sit straight against the wall. And I no longer need ventilation holes in here for the shoes because it has plenty of ventilation all around it. And this is how it looks.
And there you have it, a unique build from Poor Man's DIY. Please let us know what you think of the shoe boxes by leaving a comment below, and while you're down there, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so.
And that's all we have for today. But until we meet again,
Bye-bye.